to how we made this applesauce was we went to this apple orchard called Homestead Farms. We picked these apples, like different types, like Fuji, Granny Smith, Granny, and lots of other types. I can't really name all the other types because there's so many other types. It's hard to name, but everybody donated one apple so we can make our applesauce. And then 2 days later, Monday, we made our applesauce. We made it out of cut up apples into squares. We put a little squirt of lemon juices in. We put some cinnamon, and we put ground sugar. And that we let it cook for 4 hours and 26 minutes, and then our teacher mashed it up so we could have applesauce. And then we have applesauce now right here. It tastes very good. It's not very sweet. It's a little tartar, but I like it a lot.
It is awesome. Good. It tastes so good. Probably I might make this at my house again.
This is Egan, Callie, first grade. We've been apple picking and picked out pumpkins. Yeah, it's very fun.
My place, Daddy.